Hello, my name is Neeshat Nasser. I am the pharmacist at North Harrow Pharmacy, and today I'm going to show you how to use a pulse oximeter. The box contains the oximeter unit, lanyard and instruction leaflet. Some come with the batteries included. First, insert the batteries in the back. To use the pulse oximeter, press the button on the front to switch it on. Place the probe over the forefinger or middle finger. The finger should lie on the finger rest, making sure to cover the light sensor. Allow the oximeter to generate a reading after 5 seconds, but keep your finger still for a further 10 to 15 seconds to make sure the reading is stable. The top number is the oxygen sats reading. This should be between 95 and 100. If the reading is 92 or below, please contact your doctor. The bottom number shows the pulse rate. This should be between 60 and 100. Oxygen sats can be measured every 2 hours if required. Thank you for watching this presentation. We hope you found it of some benefit.